I'm not so perfect, baby, are you worth it? Come right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So today we're gonna be making DALGONA, which is so I'm gonna be using coffee, sugar, and just normal water. And this is only for the froth, and then like for the bottom you just use whatever milk you have. So it can be like normal milk or like soy milk or whatever. So I'm gonna just add some coffee. So I'm gonna add maybe like 4 tablespoons of coffee. And then 4 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so once you've got that, as you guys can see, now you just add a little bit of water, like 4 tablespoons of water. Okay, so now that that's but I probably have to make it again because like this is probably only for one person. Because I think like the recipe says like for one person it's like 2 of this, 2 of that. So I didn't know, because it doesn't look like a lot over here, but yeah, looks so good. Yeah, I'm filming. Now it's very thick. I'm so happy. Okay. Not bad. You wanna try it?
Are you ready?
Okay. But I wanna do it in a glass cup because it looks cool. It tastes amazing. So now I'm gonna serve it on a glass cup, just like what everyone else is doing. Okay. Sorry about all that. So now I'm just gonna heat up some milk and then pour the stuff. I'm so happy. So now I've just poured my soy milk in these cups. I am now going to take them to the microwave and heat them up. Okay, let's go. So thick. I love it. It's a little bitter, but it still tastes nice. Wow. I like it so much.
Why?
Tell me if you like it or not. Oh, it looks so pretty. coffee requires patience. It says patience on my cup. But it looks so amazing. A latte. I just wanted to do a little bit of like an honest review after making all this. I actually really like it. Like, I'll describe it to you if you don't have time to make this. But it's basically just like milk at the bottom, and then you have like this coffee frosting. So it's not just like a milky froth. It's like made of coffee, and it's like thicker. Like it's like cream-like, but like coffee flavor, like sweet coffee flavor, like sweet coffee cream basically. And it's actually very like satisfying to make because when you have the final product, it's like milk and then coffee, which is like as you saw by the thumbnail of this video, it is so pretty. I'm so happy I made this, and my mom said she really liked it because she doesn't really like me filming her, but she did tell me afterwards that she really loves it. And since during this time of isolation and quarantine, there's nothing else to do at home, so I could be making this every day if I had time. Like if, for example, if I do school online instead of physically there, I could actually make this for breakfast. It is a little bit unhealthy, but you can change the sugars to like sweeteners like stevia or equal or any of those other sweetening brands. You can use those. And then for milk, you don't have to use full cream. You can use soy milk, which I did for mine because we ran out of actual milk. But I actually would have soy milk too, or even almond milk, whatever milk. Just do whatever that makes you feel good. And yeah, it's just really amazing. Like, I never expected that I could actually make this, like, like look so like the actual like expectation. And and another thing is, like, if you want to make it actually taste like coffee, mix it, but then just like leave it there, like don't keep mixing it, like just leave it there, and then the coffee will start to like sink into the milk, and then it will taste more like coffee rather than just milk and then coffee, if that makes sense. But yeah, other than that, I really like it, and I'll definitely make it again. It was a little too sweet. Maybe next time I won't add so much. But my mom said it's a little bit too coffee-ish, because I probably added too much coffee, because normally you wouldn't add so much. But next time I'll make it better, you can always learn from your mistakes. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, and share this with your friends if your friends wanna make this but don't know how to make it. I don't think I have the whole recipe, but I'll definitely like put the recipe down in the description, because it's super easy to make. Trust me, you're gonna like it. It only takes like at least 10ish minutes, because majority of the time will be you whisking the actual coffee or blending it with a blender or whatever. No, not with a blender. What am I saying? With like the electrical whisk, whatever. So most of the time will be spent doing that, but the first couple of minutes will just be you mixing everything together, like putting all the ingredients together. And the milk, you just need to heat up or whatever. You don't need to froth it, none of that. Just normal milk, heat it up, and then the coffee part you just need to whisk. Anyways, thank you for watching. I think I've been talking way too much, but yeah, please subscribe, and I'll definitely have more fun videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us. Could be us. Could be us.